In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card to Google Pay. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection, your Google account ready, and the credit or debit card you want to add. Having your billing address handy will save time, and it's important that it matches what your bank has on file. Start by opening your web browser and going to payments.google.com. This takes you to Google's Secure Payments Center. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Go ahead and sign in just as you normally do. You may see a security check, like a code prompt or a confirmation on your phone. That's completely normal and helps keep your account safe. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Depending on your screen size, it might be in the main content area or in a side menu. Click Payment Methods to view what's currently linked to your account. Next, choose Add Payment Method. You'll see options for different ways to pay. Select the option to add a credit or debit card. This opens a secure form where you can enter your card details. Type in your card number exactly as it appears on your card, then add the expiration date. For the CVC or security code, use the 3-digit number on the back of most cards or the 4-digit code on the front for some cards. Enter your name as it appears on the card and fill in your billing address. Be sure your street address and postal code match what your bank has. Mismatches are the most common reason cards fail to add. If you're entering an apartment or unit number included in the address line, and watch out for autofill errors that can change the postal code. Take a moment to review everything. If the save button looks disabled, there's likely a missing or mistyped field. Correct any issues, then click Save. After you save, Google may run a quick verification with your bank. You might see a temporary authorization hold. This isn't a charge and typically disappears shortly. When verification is complete, your card will appear under Payment Methods. From here, you can use it for Google services, and if supported in your region and device, for Tap to Pay with Google Pay. That's it. You went to payments.google.com, signed in, opened Payment Methods, added a payment method, entered your card details and billing address, and saved. If you run into errors, double check the card number, the CVC, and the exact billing address format your bank uses. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to pay the easy way with Google Pay.